Welcome back to your computer science course, Understanding Data Transmission in Networks. Let's take a look at your vocabulary. Packetization, dividing information into packets for transmission. Data transmission, sending and receiving data over networks. Network protocols, rules or guidelines for communication in a network. After this lesson, you'll be able to model how information is broken down into packets, transmitted across networks, and reassembled successfully. Take a moment to pause the video and review your I can statements. Have you ever thought about how information travels from one device to another? Let's embark on an epic journey through the fascinating world of data transmission. Buckle up because today we're going to unravel the mysteries of how information travels across networks and the internet. Let me start with a question. Have you ever wondered what happens when you send a message or open a web page? Well, it's not as simple as it seems. Your message or web page request doesn't just magically appear on the other end. It goes through an intricate process called data transmission. Imagine you're sending a super important message to your best friend. Before it can be delivered, your message needs to be broken down into smaller pieces called packets. This process is called packetization. It's like taking a pizza and cutting it into slices before you share it. Now, these packets are like little explorers ready to embark on an incredible journey across the network. They hop from one device to another, following a set of rules called network protocols. These protocols are like road signs, guiding the packets to their final destination. Picture this. Your message packet starts its journey from your device, maybe your computer or phone. It then travels through a series of routers and switches, which are like traffic controllers, directing the packets to the correct path. Along the way, your packet might encounter different types of networks like Wi-Fi, cellular, or even fiber optic cables. Just like how you might take different routes to get to your friend's house, your packets can take different paths too. They might split up and reunite later, or some packets might even get lost and need to be resent. Once all these packets have made it to their destination, they go through a process called reassembly. It's like putting a puzzle piece back together, but with your messages as the final picture. To summarize, data transmission is a fascinating process that happens every time you send or receive information over a network. It's like a well-choreographed dance, with packets as the graceful performers, moving from one device to another, guided by network protocols until they finally reach their destination. Great job, Epic Comet. You're ready to move on to the next activity.